am back, folks. Starting to get a little chilly, and it will be chilly. It will be downright cold. Winter will kick in after today. So, insane warm weather for November here in Chicago area, north central Illinois specifically. So where am I? I'm enjoying a hot spot here. Take some notes. And Lowden State Park, Kilo 1008. It was an hour ago that I was doing that at the last park, so awesome. And hit the ATU. That's easy, 1-to-1. Gotta tell you, keep singing the praises of this DX Pretender. 30-foot, 9-to-1 with a 16-foot counterpoise. Oh, let me spread that out a little. Much better. So, get myself spotted here. Head spot. 7.047 looks good to me. I'm not hearing anybody. 2008. 3 of 3. QRP. Alright. Do the proper courtesy here. Ooh, I did not create a log. I'll get that log created. Log. Create a new one. K1008-221110. Okay. And we are ready. Someone's already there for me. Let me see. Spotted. Okay, 1 hour and okay, I don't know. Just do some walking. So I could turn the backlight on for you, but I like to spare the battery. So hopefully you can see. I wonder, am I being spotted? There I am. Make sure that's still in the frame. Yep, good. maybe I'll end up on 30 today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna jump. Let's get down in the teens here. .1 to 1. It is. Let's see if I'm getting spotted. Yep. Before. Nice. Mexico on 30. I wonder if the bands kind of faded away, because they were, the flux was like 138 or something. It was going really good. Maybe I have to go up to 20 or something and get all the West Coast guys. How am I doing on the beacons? The beacon thing's just not working. I don't know what's going on with it. Oh, the call sign's broken. That's why. Yeah. Well, it's kind of weak. single digits, some low double digits on the beacons. It's actually doing better on 40. I'm going to go ahead and QSY. See if nobody notices. All right. So go right back to 14.058. That seems to work for me. Frequency is 9. 14058. And I am spotted. Should be good enough. I really just need 6 more and I can pack it up. Told my wife I would not be late tonight. Again here, make sure Parks in the Air sees me. Yes, they do. Everybody, not many guys out there, and they're all on 40. Wow. Maybe I should get it back to 40. So you, for DS. I'm at 10. I'm just going to go back down to 40. Maybe I'll hunt some guys. Let's see. Got parks out there. Oh, wrong one. There's a few. K9NUD BIG. KG4 BIG. corrected that log entry. This guy's a little busy. Hope I can crack it. On some more. Let's see who else is out there. It's just us. Okay. I'll give it 5 more minutes here. Spotted here. Spotted, so update frequency 7056. One more minute. I thought you said KO. Well, that's it, folks. That was 17. Band seemed to kind of fade away on me, but I don't mind. They were still out there waiting. Life is good. Now I just need to mark myself QRT here. And make sure it took. Yep, it took. And we are good. So again, thanks everyone for joining me on this triple activation day. And I'll probably break it up into 3 videos anyway. But as usual, I always list all of my contacts. So when you get on YouTube, type in your call sign. You'll find your contacts with me. And if you're activating and putting up your own YouTube videos, please list all the call signs of the stations you worked, especially if you're doing QRP and there's only 15 or 20 or 30. Just list them. You got like 5,000 characters in there. And it helps people find themselves and hear themselves, which is kind of cool. First time I heard myself on YouTube was pretty cool. It was in a satellite contact with a fellow in Arizona. I forget his call sign right now. Great guy. Anyway, 73 all. Dit dit.